सो होप यू आर इन गुड हेल्थ। सो आज हम लोग देखेंगे एक नए नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में। इफ़ यू कैन सी हियर इज़ द लिस्ट, सो यू कैन सी द डेट, एलिजिबिलिटी डेट एंड ऑल. So this is the important detail that you need to see. The crucial date of eligibility is 1/1/2026. So this is the date that you have to keep in mind. The crucial date of eligibility is 1/1/2026. So this date is very important. Apart from that, if you see, the opening date of application is 11/12. So it has already been started, but मैंने इसे अभी देखा. So I will just give you the details. And the last date is 1/1/2026. So you are hardly left with 5 days. So जितना जल्दी हो सके इसका फॉर्म भर दीजिए if you are eligible. And it is a very good opportunity because you have around 764 vacancies if I am not wrong. काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैकेंसीज हैं. इट्स अ वेरी गुड पोस्ट. एक तो इतनी अच्छी पोस्ट प्लस 64 से ऊपर वैकेंसीज आना बहुत रेयर बात है. सो यू मस्ट फिल दिस एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द करेक्शन विंडो विल बी अवेलेबल फ्रॉम 4th to 6th. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इंपॉर्टेंट डेट. अगर कुछ भी गलत होता है, कुछ भी मैसअप होता है, यू कैन चेक दिस. एंड देन द फीस पेमेंट डेट इज 3rd of January. So these are the important details. If we go ahead, so you see the vacancy is of pay level 6. In last video also I told, if you want the pay level system, if you want to understand the pay level system of central government, you just tell me, I'll make a video. So pay level system, I'll explain you what is pay level system entirely. But otherwise, if you see, it is a level 6 job. So this is just the basic pay. On this you will get DA, which is quite good. Apart from that, you will get HRA and all other perks. So altogether, if I am not wrong, this salary will certainly go up to 70,000 plus. So this is a very good salary. And उसमें भी if you are getting 764 post, this is a very good thing. So इतने ज़्यादा पोस्ट के लिए इतनी अच्छी जॉब आपको मिले तो you should not miss the opportunity. And of course, at the end of the day, it is a central government job. तो एक सरकारी नौकरी है, and you know the importance of government job in India. So you must apply here. If I go ahead about the educational qualification, you can see here are the details of all the educational qualification. You can check it. So there are people who are eligible in BSc, diploma and other things. So we'll see it in detail now. So these are all the vacancies you can see for automobile engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil engineering, computer science. Apart from that, electronics, electrical, everything is there. Geology. So non-engineering backgrounds are also there, I think. If you have a BSc degree kind of, you are eligible. Instrument engineering, instrumentation and electronics engineering, all these are available. So बहुत सारे हैं. You just go through this, the entire details. And then there are group C post. तो अभी तक जितने हमने देखे वो group B post थे. Group B post level 6. Now this is group C post level 2. In this your salary will go around up to 40,000 easily. So it is a good job. If you think you are not prepared enough for the group B job, you can certainly go for group C jobs. यहाँ पर अराउंड 40,000 है सैलरी आपकी और यहाँ पर अराउंड 70,000. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर आपको कहीं भी लगता है यू आर एलिजिबल, यू मस्ट गो थ्रू इट एंड यू कैन गो थ्रू ऑल द डिटेल्स. सो हियर आर द डिटेल्स. यू कैन चेक दिस अगेन, वॉट एवर इज एलिजिबल टू यू, एंड यू कैन गो थ्रू एवरीथिंग. यू सी एंटायर लिस्ट ऑफ डिटेल, entire detailed list is given for the educational qualification and everything. You can go through this. Apart from this, this is other important points, so you can go through all these. And then the benefits and the terms and posting, everything is there. And again the reservation details, you can check here what are the relaxation time available to you as per your category. And if you go through this, you'll get all the medical details. Everything is available, whatever you need is available. So it's an 85 pages document. I will not take much of your time. I have given you entire details. This is important, the fees for the exam. So the fees is available here, so you can go through all these things. And हमेशा जब भी आपको कोई बताए किसी नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में, you must go and check the notification yourself. Vacancy is by Center for Personal Talent Management, which is under DRDO. So it is a body under DRDO. So it is very important that it is a purely central government job. So you must apply for it. DRDO is a very good organization to work for, very reputed organization. So you must apply if you are eligible. And again, if you see the number of vacancy, it is 561 plus 203. As I told you, 561 plus 203. It is 764 vacancies, which is very very good. So ये मौका छोड़ना नहीं है आपको. You must apply if you are eligible. So I will not take much of your time. I just gave you the basic details, most important details. If you want anything else, you can always go and check. And it is a very good habit कि आप खुद से जाके पूरे नोटिफिकेशन को पढ़ें अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है. At the end, I will only tell you that not only this, I will also help you with the preparation of the exams. Not only the notification. अभी तो मैं सिर्फ नोटिफिकेशन की वीडियो लेके आ रहा हूँ, बट इन द कमिंग फ्यूचर आई विल ऑल्सो बी कमिंग विथ GK वीडियोस, GS वीडियोस, quant and reasoning and English of course, and it will all be free, so there will be no fees for anything, so it is altogether free. So if you want anything you can tell me, I'll bring all these things, and trust me, it will be very helpful for all the exams. Any government exam you're preparing, it will be very helpful. So trust me on this, and please comment whichever exam you're targeting or what kind of videos do you want. Do you want me to bring private sector jobs? If you want, tell me. If you want me to bring some other notifications for some other branches from engineering or some other field, BSc, BCom, anything, you can tell me in the comment section. And at the end, as I always tell you, I'll try to bring 2 to 3 notifications daily. I try my best, but again it is not possible for me to make videos on all of them. So what I do, I'll post it in my Telegram channel, that is @logical aspirants. Just search it and subscribe to this channel, join it, and there will be only education related things, nothing else. That is all from my side. Thank you.